There is that quote that goes, "Life is simple, but we insist on making it difficult." Here's what it means. We can just be simple. If somebody makes you angry, and they ask you, "How do you feel?" You can say, "Well, you made me angry." If somebody's nice to you, you can be nice to them back. If somebody compliments you, say thank you. You see, this is appropriate actions. Nobody has to be always smiling, always positive all the time, because that's not sincere and that's not real. So instead of trying to always be that, that's a wrong thing to do. You have to let yourself go and feel everything, but at the same time, some people, they feel bad, depressed all the time, and not forcing them to be happy. They're depressed now. But you have to feel it too, right? You have to feel it to heal it. And I think that at the end of the day, if we all really try to just be simple and kind and nice, that's what you're going to receive ultimately from others too. So no matter how you are or where you are right now, you can start being good and simple and kind to your fellow human being. And if you do this, they will feel inclined to do so to you. Because this is a spiritual world. And I think as we awaken to this, some of us will take the evil route of hating on others, hurting others. Some of us will take the good route, being kind to others, being honest. And you see, what it comes down to is either you hurt somebody needlessly or you help somebody needlessly. That's what it is. We don't need to be existing, but we do somehow. So it's important to be doing good. And I think that the religions, especially the Jewish religion and the Torah, it says that we have to be following the commandments. Because following the commandments, whether they're the big ones, like believe in God, that He is one, or something smaller, like, I don't know, look forward when walking. You know what I mean? There's actually a scripture that says, "Fix your gaze ahead of you." So I don't know. I mean, it's kind of interesting, right? So no matter how I think all of these commandments in the Torah, they're actually for teaching us how to live properly, how to live holy, how to live on the good side of the life instead of the evil side and the bad side. So I think everybody ultimately wants to be happy and healthy, and that includes not only where you are physically, right, your body, how your health is there, and psychologically, how is your mental health. That includes social health too. How do others treat you? And just like you can heal yourself physically with medication, you can heal yourself mentally with medication. And naturally, you can do the same, you can heal yourself socially, right? Because there's a social thing involved with our health too. How does everybody look at you? Because we're all connected. Everybody can sense who you are. So I don't know. I'm gonna start being simple and practical and easy and kind and loving to all my people out there, and I hope that that's what they'll do back to me.